Hey guys, thank you for coming to this video. So today we're going to look at my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I believe it's called. If you guys want to see what I got in this month's box, let's get on into it. First thing I wanted to mention was my shirt. It says Starbucks coffee and it has Ariel. Like, this is my favorite shirt ever. I've had it for probably 7 years. That's a long time for one shirt. But it's like getting a little worn. Hair. It's getting like worn, but I am in love with it still. Ariel is my favorite Disney princess. If you guys know where I can get this pattern on anything, let me know, because I need more of this in my life, because I love Starbucks and I love Ariel, and Starbucks has the mermaid, but then they put Ariel and Starbucks together and it just makes this like Starbucks Ariel thing, and I am obsessed with it. So I'm wearing a tank top because it is hot here in California. We're finally in California. Warm weather. I'm in love. So felt like wearing this little tank top, but it is getting old and ratty, so I need more shirts like this. I need more things. Just let me know if you know where it is, because I will get it. I need more. Anyways, let's start with this box. So the bag in this is this really cute leopard print with this little, oh, that's cute. It has a little tassel, and this is like a bigger than a typical Ipsy bag. Like, these are like the normal Ipsy bag size, and I was always like, they're like a little bit too small. I wish they were a little bigger. So this one is definitely bigger. So I love that. It's really cute, and like it just says Ipsy on the little tag, so it's not like an obnoxious big Ipsy across the whole thing like some of them have been. So the first thing is this Douce, I don't know how to say that. Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. It says, if you love the look of false lashes, yes I do, then this mascara is for you. It delivers on drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping. It's from Douce, a beauty brand founded by two fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. And it retails for $24. So I'll have to try this out. That is a gigantic wand. I don't think I've ever seen a wand that big. That's interesting. Get that all, I mean, that's like look at it compared to my eye. Like, that's, we'll see how that works out. But I like trying new mascaras, so hopefully it does give me some false lash effect. Next is this Ciate London Dewy Sticks in Glow. It says, want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this glossy stick illuminator. Why am I saying it like that? Do you want a glow that makes your skin look like skin but better? Yes. Like, why am I talking like that? I don't know. Okay, want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this glossy stick illuminator from British beauty brand Ciate London. Beloved for their on-trend and innovative products, this gel-like balm is made with miru butter and hyaluronic acid to add instant radiance to your skin. So it's like this little stick. Interesting. So that's it right there. I have like other swatches down here, just ignore that. Okay, I want to try this on my cheeks. I feel like this would look really nice if you didn't have any makeup on. It's one of those things that just gives you like this nice glow without any like actual shimmer or like glitters or anything. It just kind of has like this glossy look. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't really tell. I don't know, I'll have to play around with that though. It looks really pretty. And that retails for $26. The next thing is this Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. It says this ultimate time saver Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. It says apply a small dollop of Hydra Veil to fresh, clean skin. Gently apply to your face and massage onto your skin until the product is fully absorbed. So it's this little pretty jar. That's weird. It's like a little, like, I don't know. Oh, there you go. Okay, so that has like a little tiny spoon. It looks so cute, a little tiny spoon. All right, and then you open it. It just looks like clear jelly. Feels like clear jelly. Weird. It smells good. It just feels really nice and hydrating. So I love stuff like this. Yes, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna love this. That retails for $45. So that's kind of pricey for like this jar that probably is not gonna last too long with something really hydrating like that, but I love trying out stuff like this because I probably wouldn't buy this normally. It's normally like, it's expensive. That's not what I normally buy. But I get these in these boxes. Okay, next is the GG Gorgeous, the stick. Next is the GG Gorgeous, the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, GG Gorgeous is a limited edition collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. So it looks really cute. It looks gorgeous. Feels really nice. I don't know that you'll be able to see it much, but for bronzers, that's what you want. So there's the 2 shades right there. So I will have to try that out. It looks really nice. It looks like a really nice tone. It looks nice and blendable. I always love trying new bronzers. And that retails for $24. Then the final thing is this gorgeous lipstick. Like, look at this. How pretty is that? This is, I know I'm going to say it wrong, probably. So, Belle and Argent. Belle and Argent? Belle and Argent? I don't know. It doesn't flow when I say it, so I'm probably saying it wrong. Auteur Cream Lip Color in Smoking on Screen. It says, we think this might be the most perfect fall lipstick ever, made by Belle and Argent. A cruelty-free and vegan brand, this deep berry shade with blue-red undertones is infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in creamy color. So let's look at this color. Oh, and it has like little like stars on the tube there. That's pretty. So that looks really nice. I mean, that's really pretty. That does look like a pretty shade. I just don't know if I would wear that. Why do they send these like dark lipstick colors? I want nude lipstick, and if it's dark, a liquid lipstick. Okay. So that retails for $26. So this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box was worth $145. And I believe the Glam Bag Plus is like $45? No, I think it's $25. These boxes got me all confused with their upgrades and their different things. I think it's $25. So for $145 worth of stuff, and I love all of it except this lipstick. I don't think I'll wear it. It's so gorgeous, but every time I wear like a dark lipstick, I feel like I'm gonna smear it. I feel like I'm gonna get it everywhere. and I just don't feel comfortable wearing it. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and ring the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.